Daniel out here trying to get Sagey to move. You're not going to go more?
Yeah, order here.
Oh, okay, good idea. I just want to see what those other horses are going to do. I'm going to keep video. Look at Twix. Twix is zeroed in on her.
Wait, get on. Look.
Oh my gosh. Come on, Sagey. Move. Daniel, I don't want you to get your shoes wet. I have boots on. Oh yeah, we're not walking any further than this. This is all wet. Come on, Sagey! I think she's just gonna eat. Rosie! Hey, Rosie! Nope.
Rosie! Rose!
What about Twix? Call Twix.
Twix!
There's Twix.
Rose! Rosie!
Bella!
Rosie!
Oh, Bella's getting all muddy.
Rosie! Rosie!
We're gonna have to give her a little spit bath.
Rosie!
Look at Bella. She's getting all muddy.
Rosie!
That's Shadow looking at you.
Shadow!
No, don't lay down. Bella, I'm taking her up. Bella. Okay, I'm paused.